Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to choose the food database country in the Fitbit app. This feature is very useful if you want your nutritional information to match the foods and measurements commonly used in your country. First, open the Fitbit app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile photo located at the top right. Then, from menu, click on Fitbit Settings. Next, scroll down until you see Nutrition and Weight. Click on that section. Once you are in this section, you will see the Food Database option. Tap on it, and a list of countries will appear. Finally, choose the country that matches the foods you usually eat. This will update the app to show nutrition information based on your selected country. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching,